Experiment 1. To verify Ohm's law. Aim of the experiment. To study the dependence of potential difference, V, across a resistor on the current, I, passing through it and determine its resistance. Also plot a graph between V and I. Apparatus and materials required. A resistor of about 2 to 5 ohm. An ammeter of range 0 to 3 A. A voltmeter of range 0 to 10 volts. Battery or battery eliminator, a plug key. Connecting wires. And sandpaper. Procedure. Clean the terminals of the connecting wires. Connect the components in the circuit, while keeping the key open. The voltmeter is connected across the given resistor and the ammeter is in series with it. Check the polarity of the ammeter and voltmeter in relation to the battery polarity. The red terminals of ammeter and voltmeter should be connected to the positive pole of the battery while the black terminals of ammeter and voltmeter are connected to the negative pole of the battery. Slide the rheostat contact to include maximum resistance in the circuit and close the key. Ammeter and voltmeter readings will be minimum in this position. Move the slider of the rheostat to the other end so that resistance in the circuit is minimum. In this case, the ammeter and voltmeter readings should be nearly 75% of the full scale. If not, either change the meters or the battery eliminator or battery. Remove the key from the plug to avoid unnecessary heating of wires. Now start taking one of the observations. Slide back the rheostat for minimum reading in the ammeter, say 0.2 A. Note the current, I, and voltage, V. Adjust the rheostat to increase current in small steps and note the V and I readings in each case. Continue till you reach the maximum possible current in the circuit. Draw a graph between V and I, choosing proper scales, V on the x-axis and I on the y-axis. Extend the straight line of the graph backward to check whether it meets the origin of the graph paper. Result and discussion. Compare the value of resistance, R, of the given resistor obtained from the graph. The value of resistance, R, of the resistor for all values of current through it remains the same, or almost the same. The graph between V and I is a straight line that passes through the origin. This verifies the Ohm's law.